Are you guys tired of seeing pop-ups like this anytime you try to play one of your favorite games and you're wondering how you can remove it? We're looking at you because in today's video I'll be showing us the best hardware spoofer to help you remove this type of error code. This is called Vertex, the most used and trusted hardware spoofer add on the market. As you can see, they have over 10,000 active users and an average rating of 5 stars. So to purchase it, what we want to do is click on the products up here and now click on the permanent spoofer. And after you've done that, you can see that they have instant delivery and 24-hour support, meaning that if there is any errors that occur when you're trying to use the spoofer, they'll fix it straight away and allowing you to play your favorite game as quick as possible. So now what you want to do is select which type of key you want from one time and last time. One time is best for people that want to go legit, as you'll be always unbanned as long as you don't cheat again, and last time is best for people that want to keep on cheating over and over again. So for that reason, I'm going to get a lifetime key, and after you selected your key, you want to press add to cart. Now you're going to be greeted at this page here, where all you want to do is press the checkout button here, put your email in, press upgraded terms and services, and press proceed to checkout, where you get an instant delivery of the key loaded and on Vanguard. So I guess you guys after I've got it all. Once purchasing, you're going to have this folder here called Vertex, and all you want to do is click on it. Now you want to click on the loader here, and now you want to right click on this application with the random letters and numbers and press run as admin. Now it's going to be loading this up here, so give it a bit as it's loading up the main menu. It should boot up around now. So now what you want to do is press Ctrl V on your keyboard, copy and paste the license key and press sign in. Now it's going to say sending off packets, so wait until it's fully done loading, which should be around about now, or not. Okay, there you go. So after it's done loading, what you want to do is click on to change your seed address here in the bottom right, and now click on the tick. After you've done that, what you want to do is click on the permanent spoof button here, click on your motherboard and click on spoof. After you've done that, it's going to show you what's happening in the logs, but I'm not going to spoof because I've already done it before and I don't really feel like spoofing my PC. So after it's done in the logs, it's going to say please reboot your device. So what you want to do is just restart your PC. And after you're done restarting your PC, what you want to do is click on the device button up here, and everything here should be green. And if it isn't and it's red, all you want to do is contact support and they'll get your issue fixed straight away. And after it's all green just like that, you can close the spoofer and you're fully unbanned and you're going to be able to play all your favorite games again. So remember, if you want to purchase, this will be the top link down in the description below. Remember to like and subscribe, and peace out.